Hey friends, welcome back to our channel. Today I wanted to share some easy updates we made to our small mudroom area that's right off of our garage entrance. We started by installing some horizontal shiplap, and for this Bernard used 6-inch primed MDF shiplap siding. Next, we did an inexpensive door upgrade. We first removed the door, including the old hinges. Then Bernard installed 1/4-inch plywood, both in a horizontal and vertical pattern. He used a combination of wood glue and some brad nails to secure each plywood panel. We then fill and sanded the nail holes before painting, and I think the paneling gave the door a modern upgrade which aligns more with our style. The paint color we chose was Iron Ore by Sharon Williams, and you guys already know how much I love this color. It's all over our home at this point. Bernard then attached some new black hinges and reinstalled the door. The rest of the mudroom space received a two-tone paint combo of pure white and Dorian gray, both by Sharon Williams. The progress was already way better than the original view, but we kept going and added new door hardware, the storage cubby, and coat racks. Our last detail was 2 vertical MDF boards for added dimension. This new mudroom design was much more functional and aligned with our modern aesthetics. It was even featured recently in a magazine along with other DIY projects in our home, something we never thought about but an accomplishment we're super proud of. Hope these easy updates gave you some inspiration. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.